Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to study two laws of chemical combination. In the first video on laws of chemical combination we studied four laws: law of conservation of mass, law of definite or constant proportion, law of multiple proportion and law of reciprocal proportion. In this lecture we will study two more laws. So those two laws are Avogadro's law and second law is Gay-Lussac's law. So let us first of all see Avogadro's law. So Avogadro's law. So what does this law state? So according to Avogadro's law, equal volume of gases at identical conditions of temperature and pressure possess equal number of molecules. So this law states that equal volume of gases under identical conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volume of gases under identical conditions of temperature and pressure possess equal number of molecules. So irrespective of the nature or properties of gases, two different gases, if they have equal volume under conditions of identical temperature and pressure, they will possess equal number of molecules. For example, if we say oxygen and hydrogen, so if under identical conditions of temperature and pressure, 1 liter of oxygen will have same number of molecules as 1 liter of hydrogen. So this law has far-reaching consequences in chemical combination of gaseous molecules. So one of the consequences of this law is Gay-Lussac's law. So now we will see what is Gay-Lussac's law. So second law that we are going to study today is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. So this is the first law, this is second law. Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. So what does this law say? So this law says that when two or more gases combine, then their volumes bear simple whole number ratio, and to the ratio of product also if product is gaseous. So according to this law, when two or more gases combine to form products, to form products, their volumes bear simple whole number ratio with each other, and to the volume of product if the product is gaseous. If the product is gaseous, provided all the measurements are made under identical conditions of temperature and pressure. Provided all the measurements are made under identical conditions of temperature and pressure. For example, if we take example of hydrogen combining with chlorine to form gaseous hydrogen chloride, so Cl2. So it was experimentally observed that 1 volume of hydrogen combines with 1 volume of chlorine to form 2 volumes of hydrogen chloride gas. So the ratio in which these reactants combine and the product is formed is 1:1:2, and this is simple whole number ratio. So this is all about Gay-Lussac's law.